How to turn on location on Instagram app. So the first thing you need to do is allow your phone to allow the location services for Instagram. So go to your settings and you want to scroll down until you see where it says privacy and security and go to your location services. So from here, you just want to make sure that it's toggled on at the very top. And then you want to scroll down until you find your Instagram. And then you just want to choose while using the app. That's just what I do instead of having it always on. So from here, that's what you need to do for that. And then we can go back to Instagram and go to your profile at the bottom right-hand corner here. And then go to the three bars at the top right corner. This is just going to bring you up to your settings. So scroll down until you see where it says Story Live and Location. And then go to Location Sharing Instagram app. So from here, you have some options here. You can have your location shared or seen by all of your followers on Instagram. You can have it chosen for just close friends, for people that you specifically choose, or only these friends. Again, you can choose those people if you want to keep it separate, or you can just go ahead and say no one, don't share location. And then if you were to hit that, you can also have that for a certain time frame, so 3 hours, 24 hours, or just until you turn it back on. So you do have some control about what you want to have, what you want to do. So I'm just going to hit 3 hours here. So it's real easy to see locations with people, see locations for your followers on Instagram, but then also being able to control who can see you and the timeframes behind it. And that's it. That's how you would go about turning on location on Instagram app and then setting it to the way that you want.